Hi, welcome back. Here we are again with the big belt. I've reset the amber, and there's that nice kind of warm nickel with the cool silver. I quite like the difference in the tone, and that's how that is. So. Soldered totally fine, nothing else was bothered, nothing else moved. So Jeweler's Rouge for preventing other joins moving if you're doing a complicated solder. There you have it. It's quite a big chunk. It's a good thick piece of silver. So hey, it's quite complicated soldering on big things, but I much prefer that to how it was with the blue stone. So, hope you enjoyed that. Ta-ra for now.